In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable documents to your Wix website. If you want visitors to be able to download a file directly from your site, Wix makes the process very simple. This is especially useful if you want to share PDFs, guides, forms, menus, brochures, or any other document your audience may need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect a document to a button so people can click and download it easily. To get started, go to the page in Wix where you want the downloadable document to appear and open your site in Edit Site mode. Once you're in the editor, look for the button you want to use. If you already have a button on the page, just click to select it. This button will act as the clickable download link for your visitors. If you don't already have a button on the page, you can quickly add one. Go to the top left of the editor and click Add. From there, search for Button. Wix will show you the available button elements you can place on the page. Click the button option you want and add it to your layout. After that, position it wherever it makes the most sense on the page so it's easy for visitors to find. Once your button is selected, look at the row of options that appears above it and click Link. This opens the settings where you can choose what happens when someone clicks the button. In the Link options, select the Document option. This is the setting you'll use when you want the button to open or download a file instead of going to another page or website. After choosing Document, you'll be able to upload the file you want to share. Select your document from your computer and let Wix upload it. Once the upload is complete, the button will be connected to that file. That means when someone visits your website and clicks the button, they'll be able to access the document you uploaded. And that's it. Your downloadable document has now been added to your Wix website through a button. Before you finish, it's a good idea to preview your site and test the button yourself to make sure the correct document opens properly. You may also want to rename the button text so it clearly tells visitors what they're downloading, like Download PDF or Get the Document. After everything looks good, save your changes and publish your site so the document is available to your visitors. That's the full process for adding downloadable documents to your Wix website.